In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Canva AI plus Adobe Firefly for print on demand merch. So here, start opening up Canva AI and create your designs like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or tote bags using this AI tool. And here you can just start with typing your prompt like this, then let Canva generate our prompt. Then next is use Adobe Firefly to generate unique artwork, patterns, or illustrations that make your designs stand out. Then download your generated designs. Then combine both tools. You can add typography, graphics, and layout in Canva. Then make sure that you export to high resolution files. All you have to do is be creative in your designs. And once done, you can upload your designs to print on demand platforms like Printful or Redbubble. And when someone buys your product, the platform prints and ships it for you. No inventory needed. Also, make sure to promote your designs on social media to drive traffic and sales. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!